Any initiative by the government, sorry, for any subsidies or anything which you can avail?
No,
Okay.
no. बातें बहुत हुई, आते सम, nothing gets materialized. Of course,
Okay.
indirect support है.
Hmm.
Okay, they admire my work. All the governments, they admire my work. But ऐसा tangible help कभी कुछ नहीं. In fact, I did not expect. I never focused on that because
Okay.
I was always self-sufficient बनाना है. Instead of asking 10 lakh rupees from one person, how about asking 1,000 rupees from 100 people?
Correct.
So that किसी एक पे burden ना आए. So we do this.
Correct.
Accountability भी बढ़ जाता है. So we have become, and in every business there are ups and downs. Out of 12 months, there are 2 months which are थोड़ा tension वाले होते हैं. अरे
Correct.
इस महीने का cost cover होगा कि नहीं? But I think this is applicable to even the so-called businesses. We are not a business.
Correct.
We are a mission. I think I'm quite happy and content with the finances and the growth.
Correct.
And growth doesn't mean numbers. Okay, it's not about expanding in numbers. It's about growth is about getting better
Correct.
and not bigger.
Correct.
Yeah. And I think now the inventions like IPL, they satisfy me a lot.
Okay.
That if we can make people go mad and fighting with me कि अरे वो कल का वो छठा बॉल मुझे खेलने को नहीं मिला, क्या हुआ तेरा ऐप हैंग हो गया. So
Correct.
actually I should feel bad, but I feel happy कि अगर ये नहीं होता तो तुम कहीं पे कोई स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी देखते.
Correct.
तो मैं जीत गया ना वहाँ पे. Of course I have my responsibility to remove all the bugs.
Correct.
वो तो
Exactly.
है. So the next thing I'm very gung ho is ZBooks.
So आपने ऐप खुद डेवलप किया और you outsourced it because you are not from that field. So वो ऐप कैसे आपने YouTube में से सीख के कि किसी को आउटसोर्स किया था या your friend है?
नहीं, ये जावा कोडिंग मतलब काला अक्षर भैंस बराबर है. I'm a CA, complete non-IT guy. मुझे कुछ समझता नहीं है. मुझे जावा का फुल फॉर्म भी पता नहीं था. बाद में चला जावा का कोई फुल फॉर्म नहीं होता है. So again, see how like-minded people join you if you are truly passionate and focus on your purpose and not get distracted by other things like money, fame, popularity. So Sanjot Shah from Pune. उसके पहले मैंने बहुत IT teams change किए कि commitments नहीं कर रहे थे, मजा नहीं आ रहा था. For them it was just a bunch of code. For him, Sanjot, he's a passionate reader and he believes in my belief.
Okay.
तो वहाँ से अलग approach आने लगा.
Okay.
And then now he's working with us for almost 6-7 years.
Okay.
Doing wonders. Yeah, we brainstorm ideas, we fight, of course in the interest of the project.
Correct.
There are difference of opinions to get the best out of it.
Correct.
So IBL was completely because of him. It was technology driven.
Correct.
Idea तो
Exactly.
हमारी थी, but technology में implement करना उसका ही था. So his firm's name is Brainoid Tech. It's a
Okay.
huge team of 40 IT people. उसमें
Okay.
सब आ गए, Apple, Android, designer, UI, UX, जो भी होता है, full stack.
Okay.
So I think if I always say that if I am the face of Booklet, Farid is the backbone of Booklet, and Sanjot is the brain of Booklet, the CPU. Of Booklet.
Okay.